Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to close all running background apps in any Samsung phone. If you're any background or running apps or recent apps, let's see how can you close them. If you're using these three navigation buttons, so just tap on this three vertical lines buttons, tap on it and it will be open background apps. If you have any box type icon here, you must have to tap on that and it will open your background app. You must have to select which one you want to close. As I'm going to close this one, just swipe it up and it will be closed. I just tap on close all option. Or if you're using the gesture options, so you can see there is no any buttons. So you must have to swipe up this bar and you will get your recent tabs. Just tap on this close all option and it will close all background running apps. So that's how you can easily close all running background apps in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.